Alright, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber and you come back often, welcome back. So if you've been following, I did what I thought was an October Menlo package review or unboxing, but it was actually something I ordered that I forgot I ordered and I got it in. But this time we got October and it's here, and I don't remember what's supposed to be in here, but I know it's 2 tops. Check it out. Look, real deal for y'all. Real deal. I'm about to open it right now, right in front of you. Let's see what we got for October. Standard Menlo paper. If you didn't see my other video, shout out to the World Series champions, Dodgers. You know, they did that. All right, getting into fall here. So we got. Oh, it feels kind of, that's nice and soft. So we got so basically a knit long sleeve top, basically like a flannel, kind of all color, but it looks like a stone washed, you know, kind of effect there. Base color is gray though, so I might like that. Yeah, just gotta see if boys still fit a large. Sometimes I'll try these on like for y'all, but I'm not gonna do it in this video. I apologize. But what's different from these shirts, because I have one like this from them before. Let me show you that. Dang. So basically what I'm trying to show you is the tag down there. So they got wow, alright. Man, so focus. So that basically what I'm trying to show you is that 5'4" tag right there. So that's their standard, you know, kind of mark your shirt out. You got your 5'4" right here in the collar on the inside. And you have their standard kind of, they're known for the little hook they put, you know, if you want to hang it up on the back or whatnot. But what's different about this shirt is kind of the material. Material is very, very soft. So we'll see how we rock with that, but might be good to go with that. And with fall coming, boom. I don't know if you got the rocking with the color, but got yourself like a nice light sweater there. And you know what? Material feels good too. This is more like a base color of a kind of dark. Oh, it's like a forest green type deal. Let me let y'all know what it is specifically. So according to this, so I can't even. Oh, there it is. So it's a Chavant. Whoa. Chabanais. That's the color? I don't know. And then the long sleeve is a Habuka. Man. You know what? Anyway. Call it a dark green, forest green, you know. This is another one I'm about to try on, make sure it's good to go. So, so what we got for October, 2 months, or 2 tops heading into fall. So you're gonna start piecing these with your jeans and your pants that you got along the way. You know, starting getting dressing kind of warm and stuff. So I mean, not a bad October package, but let's see if they fit. Let's see if I like the design. I could tell, you know, something I might wear it to or something, you know, holiday gathering. But it's just like COVID, we can't go around too many people and stuff like that. So, yeah. Nice little package. Would like to start seeing a little bit more, like maybe throwing like a belt or some socks or something. But you know, they come correct when they come. You know, these shirts, 2 tops, and then the next month they might you know, compensate for you, and then you can put your stuff on pause if you're starting to not like them, or you know what's coming and you didn't like it. But it's good to go for this one. We'll see if they fit. I need a size change or anything, but that's what we got, man. Until the next time, I'd like to say, man, thank y'all for supporting. You know, been having some good numbers lately, and I appreciate it. You know, that you tune in and listen to my boring self talk, but we gonna keep doing them. All right, y'all, man. Be safe. Take care of each other.